Samsung fans, prepare for a shocker. In a surprising twist for 2025, Samsung is set to launch an all-new addition to the Galaxy lineup, the Galaxy S25 Slim. That's right, according to the latest findings from the IMEI database, we're about to witness the unveiling of a model no one saw coming. And this isn't just a lighter version of the S25, it's a whole new concept that promises to redefine slim, sleek, and powerful. But what makes this slim edition so special? Well, renowned leaker Ice Universe has confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Slim will feature a stunning 200-megapixel main camera, the same powerhouse sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Imagine that, ultra-level camera quality in a super slim design. While other camera sensors may align with the standard S25 and S25 Plus, the Slim will still bring unmatched camera capabilities in a sleek new form factor. Samsung is clearly betting big on style, elegance, and, yes, a premium price tag. Rumor has it the Slim could be even pricier than the Ultra. And guess what? Samsung might be pulling a fast one on Apple. Earlier this year, Apple hinted at a 2025 launch for an iPhone 17 Slim, supposedly their slimmest and most premium device ever. But Samsung's saying, not so fast. They're getting a head start, aiming to beat Apple at their own game. This Galaxy S25 Slim could become Samsung's sleekest, most exclusive device yet. Let's face it, the 2025 Galaxy lineup might just be Samsung's most impressive yet. Now, if you're excited about design, you're in for a treat. We have fresh concept renders from Techo, giving us a realistic look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's colors and form. These images showcase the evolution of Samsung's design from the S24, with the S25 looking bolder, sleeker, and more refined than ever. Each color option feels like a statement piece, and if these renders are accurate, Samsung is on the path to design perfection. And it's not just about looks. With the S25 series, Samsung will be unleashing their second-generation Galaxy AI. One exciting feature might be AI summaries, which can summarize notifications in multiple languages. Unlike Apple's system, which is limited to English, Samsung's Galaxy AI will let users get updates in their native language, a game-changer for global users. But there's more. Samsung's Galaxy Ring might be coming sooner than we thought. According to fresh rumors from Korea, the second-generation Galaxy Ring could launch at the 2025 Unpacked event. Although details are scarce, this updated smart ring is expected to bring new health and lifestyle features. So, there you have it, the latest, mind-blowing Samsung updates. From the Galaxy S25 Slim to groundbreaking AI features and the return of the Galaxy Ring, Samsung is truly gearing up to lead the charge in 2025. What are your thoughts on the S25 Slim? Do you think it'll steal the spotlight? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, stay tuned for more Samsung news. Don't forget to subscribe, we're just getting started. Peace out.